You've seen UDOIT Coatings video about sealing your project or applying protective wax on interior floors. This video covers maintaining stained concrete, which is very easy. For exteriors and garages, it is ideal to pressure wash the area at least 4 to 12 times per year. If a cleanser is needed, use the diluted form of UDOIT Coatings degreaser and spot treatment as previously described. For interior floors only, use a neutral cleanser such as UDOIT Coatings Maintain Clean as often as you'd like, and reapply UDOIT Coatings commercial grade protective wax on a regular basis, anywhere from 4 to 12 times per year, depending on usage. Please do not use readily available, cheaper versions of wax. These are inferior products and can eventually damage your project. In time, your stained floor should be stripped of built-up wax, but this could take years. When it is time, the floor will have a cloudy appearance. Simply contact us for further instructions. Again, protective wax is not meant to be used on exterior or garage areas. Reseal your project as needed. The average reseal time for the clear acrylic sealer is every 2 to 3 years, and every 5 years for the clear polyglaze. You've reached the end of our video playlist for staining your concrete. So now you can do it. If you have any questions, we are here to help, so please don't hesitate to contact us at udoitcoatings.com.